Welcome back to my channel, and today we have got a TV and we're going to unbox a Lux 43 Ultra HD Smart LED TV. So this is it. There's my husband all chuffed because we've actually got a new TV. So the one upstairs in the one that was down here is upstairs in our room.
Yeah, it looks so empty without a TV on there.
Yeah, so let's unbox it. I need to put
me. So that is our new TV. Move over there so you can see it better. So we are now going to give it a go. But this is the new TV. This is how awesome it looks. I like the look of that TV. I like that TV. So I think the TV looks good. I like it. I'm